Assalamu alaikum. I am Salim Yusuf. This is my second lecture for class 9th geography, lesson number 3, that is drainage. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the drainage system in India. Drainage system of India is divided into groups: Himalayan drainage system, and second one is peninsular drainage system or peninsular river system. Himalayan drainage system means Himalayan drainage system means the rivers that originate from the Himalayan range. Himalayan range is a mountainous range that lie on the northern frontier of India. All those rivers that originate through the Himalayan range form the Himalayan drainage system or Himalayan river system. Important Himalayan rivers are River Indus, River Ganga, and River Brahmaputra. All the three rivers are perennial rivers, that is, they flow throughout the year. Most of the Himalayan rivers have long courses from their source to their mouth because they flow throughout the year. Source of river is the place where a river originates, while as a mouth of river is a place where a river drains into a lake or a sea. We can say source is the place of origin of rivers, while as mouth is the last stage of river where a river drains into a lake or an ocean. One of the important Himalayan river is River Indus. It rises in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar in the Himalayan range. It flows west after originating from the Mansarovar Lake. It flows west into India through the UT of Ladakh, Union Territory of Ladakh. Here it is met by different tributaries such as Nubra, Hunza, Shyok, Zanskar. इसके अलावा इंडस जो है इसके बाद इंडस फर्दर वेस्टवर्ड फ्लो करता है. इट इंटर्स गिलगित बाल्टिस्तान and emerge from the mountains of Attock. River Satluj, Bias, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum join together to enter Indus near Mithankot in Pakistan. It flows further southward and finally drains into Arabian Sea east of Karachi. Indus is one of the longest rivers of the world, having a total length of 2,900 kilometers. Only a little over third uh, of Indus basin is located in India, in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir. Rest lies in Pakistan. One of the important water distribution treaty that was signed between India and Pakistan on September 9, 1960. The treaty was signed by the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Pakistani President Ayub Khan. According to the regulation of the treaty, India can only utilize, or we can say use, 20% of the total water carried by the Indus River, and rest is used by पाकिस्तान. हिंदुस्तान सिर्फ 20% इंडस बेसन का जो इंडस रिवर जो है इसका 20% वाटर यूज़ कर सकता है. बाकी जो वाटर है वो पाकिस्तान यूज़ कर सकता है. क्यों? क्योंकि इंडस रिवर इंडस का मैक्सिमम जो ड्राइनेज बेसन जो है दैट लाइज इन पाकिस्तान. Second most important river, Himalayan river, is River Ganga. Headwater of River Ganga is called Bhagirathi, and it is fed by the Gangotri glacier. Bhagirathi is joined by Alaknanda at Devprayag in Uttarakhand. Ganga emerges from the mountains onto plains at Haridwar in Uttarakhand. It is joined by many tributaries at different places in northern India. कुछ रिवर गंगा की जो इम्पॉर्टेंट ट्रिब्यूटरीज है वो हैं रिवर यमुना, घाघरा, गंडक, कोसी। यमुना originates from the Yamunotri glacier and meets the Ganga at Allahabad. इसके बाद गंगा फर्दर ईस्टवर्ड फ्लो करता है। तिलफरा का एक जगह है वेस्ट बंगाल में जहाँ पे गंगा बाइफरकेट हो जाता है। द भागीरथी हुगली फ्लो साउथवर्ड थ्रू डेल्टिक प्लेन्स इनटू द बे ऑफ बंगाल and the main stream flows southward into the Bangladesh and is joined by the Brahmaputra river. The total length of the Ganga is 2500 kilometers. उसके बाद है ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर सिस्टम और ब्रह्मपुत्र ड्रेनेज सिस्टम। ब्रह्मपुत्र as we know it rises in Tibet east of Mansarawa Lake close to the source of Indus and Satluj. It takes a U-turn and enters India in अरुणाचल प्रदेश में ये हिंदुस्तान में दाखिल होता है थ्रू ए गॉर्ज। इसके अलावा इसके साथ और कुछ ट्रिब्यूटरीज मिल जाती है सच एज दिबंग, लोहित। दिबंग एंड लोहित इसकी ट्रिब्यूटरीज है। इसके बाद ये ब्रह्मपुत्र, इसको आसाम में ब्रह्मपुत्र कहा जाता है जबकि हिंदुस्तान से बाहर रिवर ब्रह्मपुत्र को सेंगपो और जमुना बांग्लादेश में कहते हैं। इसकी वजह से सुंदरबन डेल्टा बन जाता